In the previous class, we talked about the parts of computer. Today we will be learning about the keyboard as a whole. What is a keyboard? A computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols into a computer. A keyboard is also an input device using which users can input text on any computer system. There are different types of keyboard. We have flexible keyboard, gaming keyboard. We have also the typewriter keyboard, the computer keyboard and the phone keyboard. The keyboard is used for typing into the computer. We see whatever we typed into the computer on the computer monitor. There are many buttons on the keyboard such as the alphabet. Letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, letter F, letter G, letter H, letter I, letter J, letter K, letter L, letter M, letter N, letter O, letter P, letter Q, letter R, letter S, letter T, letter U, letter V, letter W, letter X, letter Y, and letter Z. The keyboard also contains the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you type your name into the computer like Annie? Yes, you can. One can also learn how to use the keyboard to type. Start learning today.